Welcome to Cycle 2 Hands-on Science, Week 19. Today we're going to fold and fly some paper airplanes. Your project supplement has 3 designs for you: the squid, the phoenix, and the stealth. You'll need paper, scissors, and optionally, colored pencils. So what makes an airplane fly? The answer has to do with aerodynamics, the study of how air interacts with objects that are moving through it. Blow up a balloon and tie the end. Hold it still and blow across the top. You'll notice the balloon rises. Now, why did that happen? Well, air is pushing on everything all the time. It pushes on our bodies, it pushes on our houses, and it pushes on balloons. Now, when you blow across the top of the balloon, that air is moving faster than the still air underneath the balloon. But while that air is busy moving, it can't push on the balloon as hard as the air underneath is pushing. And when the air underneath pushes harder,